Just got an Amazon Alexa Echo Dot Kids 5th Gen? Whether you have the Owl version or any other design, in the next few minutes I'll show you how to set it up for the first time from your iPhone or Android and get it ready for your child. Right after plugging it in, the Echo Kids will say hello in different languages and automatically enter setup mode with a yellow spinning light.
Hola, vamos a empezar.
On your iPhone, go to the App Store, or on Android, go to the Play Store and install the Alexa app. Open the app. If you're setting it up for the first time, sign in with your Amazon account. Once the app setup is complete, stay on the main dashboard and you should see a setup pop-up. Tap Agree and Continue. If you don't see the pop-up, tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then go to Add Device. Select Amazon Echo, then choose Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop, and more. Make sure the light ring on the device is glowing yellow, which means it is still in setup mode. If it isn't, press and hold the Action button until it returns to setup mode. Then tap Yes. The app will detect your Echo Kids device. Tap on it when it appears under Available Devices. It will start searching for Wi-Fi, and a list of networks will appear on the screen. Select your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect to your network.
Your Echo is ready.
Once connected, tap Continue. You may see an Amazon Kids Plus subscription prompt. You can either activate it now or skip it for later. Next, you'll be asked to create a child profile. If you already have one, select it. If not, tap Add New. Then enter your child's name or nickname and their date of birth. Tap the check mark, then press Continue. The child profile will be added. Tap Continue again. Now you'll need to verify yourself, either through SMS or email. Choose your preferred option, enter the code you receive, and verify to add the kid's profile to your Amazon account. Then submit the code. Accept the parental consent by tapping I agree. You'll see recommended settings for the kid's profile, which you can choose to allow or disable. Tap Continue. Next, you'll be prompted to download the Amazon Kids Parent Dashboard app. Tap Download the app, then install it from the App Store or Play Store. Once installed, set up the app and sign in with your Amazon account. You'll be taken to the Parent Dashboard. Follow the additional on-screen prompts, and once finished, you can return to continue setup. Go back to the Alexa app and complete the Echo Kids setup. For now, you can skip location sharing, then select the room where your Echo Kids device will be placed. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen prompts one by one, and you're all set. Your device is now successfully added to the Alexa app, and you can start introducing your kids to this amazing device. Thanks for watching.